Have you ever wondered what happens after you visit a doctor? How does the hospital get paid? Let's find out.
That's where medical billing begins. It is the process that helps healthcare providers receive payment for their services.
Medical billing connects patients, healthcare providers, and insurance companies through an organized payment process. After treatment, medical coders convert the doctor's documentation into standardized diagnosis and procedure codes. Medical billers use these codes to prepare accurate insurance claims and submit them electronically. Insurance companies review every claim carefully before deciding whether to approve, deny, or request corrections.
Once approved, the payment is sent to the healthcare provider for the services delivered. If a claim is denied, medical billers investigate the issue, correct errors, and resubmit the claim for payment. Ready to start your journey in medical billing? Subscribe to MedCore Medical Billing Academy and learn with us. Learn, grow, succeed.